In the last lecture, I covered zooming and navigating around an image. In this lecture, I explained how to quickly toggle between screen modes, which can be helpful when brushing or making other adjustments in Photoshop. With an image open, go ahead and press Tab on the keyboard. Notice that all the panels are no longer visible, giving us some more room on the canvas to work with. Press Tab again, and all currently selected panels are visible again. This is much easier than closing and reopening multiple panels. There are 3 screen modes in Photoshop, and to toggle between them, we can either go to View, and then Screen Mode, and select a screen mode, or navigate to the bottom of the toolbar and click and hold the screen mode options and select one of them. The default is standard screen mode, and then we can cycle to full screen mode with the menu bar and full screen mode. To exit out of full screen mode, press Escape on the keyboard or press F on the keyboard to cycle through all 3 screen modes. So remember, Tab to toggle visibility of panels and F to cycle through screen modes. Next, I'll cover working with multiple documents in Photoshop.